Hi Curly Tails, we're back again! For all those who don't know, this is Kamya's place, it's Curly Tails' place. This
Of course
is,
we know.
What a place.
It's beautiful, it's a new
beautiful.
venture,
So well.
so congratulations to Kamya.
Thank you so much, guys. I love you.
Cheers.
A first impression, I had a giant crush on him.
I was definitely crushing on her. I want to say that.
Okay, guys, I think I should move on.
No Pashmina, I think my part is very musical, so I wanted everyone to hear it.
जिंदगी में अगर कुछ बनना हो, कुछ हासिल करना हो.
कृष्ण इतना बड़ा कब हुआ?
We are starting a podcast. Rohit's producing.
Why do I?
Who's done more film?
Who has more money?
Yes.
I don't!
I was just going to use the term. What
This
is
is
that?
wrong.
Looks like a Pokemon.
Yeah.
अरे हमको भी प्लेट चाहिए ऐसा. Cheating हो रहा है इधर.
That's a sus.
Yours is Sashi. It's some Indian thepla.
One second, you guys are saying getting gifts is a red flag.
Are you trying to buy me and my emotions?
By
Curly Tails is the biggest green flag ever.
I mean, she feeds us food. Like, how can that
And
ever be a
the
red?
Best
flag? Curly tails,
Stop it.
Wow, you all देख रहे हो और सोच रहे हो कहाँ है? Well, this is our brand new restaurant. Welcome to Shifuku by Curly Tails. And we are ready to welcome our first guest. And who better than Rohit Saraf and the cast of Ishq Vish Rebound as our first guest. So today on this episode, we are going to be trying some of the best specialities of our modern Asian cuisine, from sushi to dim sum to the delectable cocktails. Let's go.
Hi Curly Tails, we're back again!
Hello.
Hope you all haven't eaten much.
We have not
We are
eaten.
waiting.
Absolutely famished.
Starving.
Okay, great. And you guys like sushi and dim sum?
Absolutely.
Amazing. So we have lots of things waiting for you. Come on
let's
in.
I like this. We enter the place and we straight head to the bar.
What would you like to have?
For all those who don't know, this is Kamya's place. It's Curly Tails' place. Congratulations to Kamya.
Thank you so much, guys. I
Curly
love
Tails.
you.
Thank you.
Many, many more.
And
Yes.
you guys are one of our first guests, so it's an
Oh,
absolute
lovely.
I did not
honor
know that.
to host
Thank
you
you.
all.
know that.
That's
Yes.
amazing.
Lovely. But बताओ क्या पियोगे?
Okay, I know I want to have something passion fruit.
I wouldn't mind trying that as well.
Yeah?
Rohit's going to be boring as usual.
I'll have
As
coconut
usual.
water. There you go. Guys, I think this looks amazing. That's yours.
It matches.
It matches my
This
colors.
is for
Thank
you.
you, thank you.
So how's it going, guys?
Shout out to this place. I think it's really changed the game for us because we've been having quite
Yeah.
regular interviews, and this is a bit.
Yeah, this is a bit
Different.
different as a setup.
Okay, thank you so
But that's
much.
Kamya for you. I feel like her interviews are always like this. It's been quite fun to do those before.
Rohit has been on the show
Yeah.
before, so he knows the drill.
I've pretty much seen all your videos, so I
You
feel like.
have?
Yeah, we know the drill.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so let's begin by, I want to know what has been the first impression of each other. How was it? Okay, so everybody share your first impression about Rohit.
When I first met Rohit, obviously I knew that he. I'm going to say nice things. for him. You know, I just knew him as a boy who was in Mismatched and a couple of other really lovely films that he's been a part of. I really came thinking that he'll be, you know, very like regular, sweet, you know, nice.
I thought she was
good
going to say
thing.
nice things about me.
He's human. He has a range of emotions. He doesn't really have a filter, which is lovely. So it just becomes like really nice to interact with him because he's just innately himself. Nice, no?
A first impression, I had a giant crush on him, man.
So you slid into his DMs, you had a crush. What's stopping you, Pashmina?
You knew about this?
Is there anything stopping us?
Okay, guys, I think I should move on. No? Am I even needed here? But okay.
When I met Rohit for the first time, he looked really taller to me, so I was like, oh like shucks, he's taller than me. And that was my
When did
first.
we meet each other for the last
We all met in the office. You, me, Nipun, Pashmina.
Correct,
I was with a
correct,
broken
yeah.
leg. And he just met me and he saw my knee was busted and he was just so sweet to me. And that was my first impression. I just remember like, अरे यार ये तो बहुत लंबा है and real life में cuter भी है. That was my first
अच्छा,
impression.
तो इसको भी क्रश था.
अभी भी है.
अरे national
Bromance.
crush है वो यार. Okay, what about Naila?
Oh my god, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Her voice is just wow. What a voice. I have never heard a voice like that.
We are starting a
maybe I was just
podcast.
like
We are going to be producing
Yeah.
an ASMR.
It's called, yeah.
Yeah, it's called.
It's
Rohit is
Nile.
financing. We are directing.
1 second, why do I have
Who's
to
done
finance-
more films?
Who has more money?
Yes.
I don't.
I was just going to use the term. No, yeah, Rohit's producing. We are directing.
It's my voice.
Okay, would love to hear you,
Being a consumer
Naila.
of this.
As this interview goes on, I'll just be speaking and we'll get into it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. This is your first impression of her as well.
Absolutely.
I think my first impression about Naila was that's just her as a personality. She's really, really fun. But also, I wasn't sure if I can go and like mess around with her on day one. I knew that I could mess around with these two on day one. I wasn't sure if I could mess around with her on day one.
She gives that very strict vibe.
No,
is
not
it?
strict, not strict, but a very
I'll put you in your place.
yeah, that. So I was actually, I might
Not
as
a
well
bad
say I was a little intimidated by her. You know, like she talks like that, using the most difficult English words that I've never heard in my
We
life.
have to go and
before.
like, अच्छा ये बोला मैंने.
and you know, we'd go for our workshops and stuff, and she'd come in wearing these Prada's, sunnies, and then she'd wear her heels and come
Yeah,
and we were just like
We are like
homeless people over here.
One t-shirt you found in the morning, just put it on.
Especially Mumbai people, when they're not on camera, they look homeless.
Thanks, buddy. I like that.
But Delhi people, they are always
Delhi से
like,
have to be on point, of course.
Okay.
Me, so I know Naila from a few years before this project
okay.
because I was assisting on a film called Brahmastra and she came to audition for one of the characters and I had auditioned her with Ranbir and Alia and it was a very sweet moment but I think her dates didn't work out so she didn't do the part. And cut to, I get to know that Naila is going to be one of my co-stars on this
Yeah.
film.
That's really
So it was a very warm feeling and of course coming back to what Rohit said,
Yeah.
the thing is she's the first bencher of the class.
Yeah.
And like we are the पीछे वाला. So now आप समझ लो ना first bencher मतलब notes words perfect. So you don't want to mess with her.
That's
in
true.
that way. Yeah.
And Naila, you've done Thappad before
Yes.
this.
And Mamla Legal hai.
So वैसे
And
मतलब
Tamash.
all her filmography was anyway very scary
Yeah,
before.
Yeah, that's why maybe.
Panga mat lena.
Okay, what about Gibran?
Of course, we had the same first
Yeah.
impression, which was him taking my audition. And I remember him dropping me a text saying, "Hi Naila, I had a wonderful time. You're a lovely actor. All the best." That didn't work out, and all these years later, you know, I'm working with him.
Thank
But
God I didn't say more than that. Right?
but I feel like he's a very bindas guy, and I feel like sometimes that's rare to find as an actor because you know we come with our baggage and these kind of you know you have to follow these set parameters sometimes, and people tell you to follow certain rules and regulations, unsaid rules and regulations, and I feel like he doesn't. He's just innately also just himself. He wears his emotions on his sleeve, and I think that's what I really like about him.
So sweet, I'm blushing.
Thank you very much.
Also, he's just friends with everyone I know, which
Yeah,
was
yeah, there were too many common friends.
I know so many people who are just like, oh my god, I love Gibran. And this is like from young kids to like uncles and aunties, everyone just has the same reactions. I was really excited to meet him because I wanted to know what this boy is all about. And we met and everything just made sense. You know, everything made sense as to why.
wink yeah.
Gibran's acting career started way before
Anyone.
Yeah. तो कोई एक dialogue बता दो यार. Recreating the scene.
That's very sweet of you. Thank you. The dialogue goes like, जिंदगी में अगर कुछ बनना हो, कुछ हासिल करना हो, कुछ जीतना हो, तो हमेशा अपने दिल की सुनो. और अगर दिल से भी कोई आवाज़ ना निकले, तो अपनी आंखें बंद करके अपनी माँ और पापा का नाम लो. फिर देखना, हर मुश्किल आसान हो जाएगी. जीत तुम्हारी होगी, सिर्फ तुम्हारी.
Gosh,
How is it that you
feels
channelize
so
exactly
good.
that Krish
Every single
every
time
single
you do it, it
time?
feels
It's so
amazing.
fun.
Krish तो इतना बड़ा कब हुआ?
That's
हाँ,
what-
सच में.
Okay, what about Pashmina?
When I got to know Pashmina is doing the film, so firstly she had a private profile, so I hadn't seen much about her. So I had of course Googled like how everyone must have. I was like, "Acha, cute hai yaar," like that. And then I met her, and I had my knee which was broken, and I think our cars entered at the same time, and she was so sweet. She's like, "Oh my God, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?" Like. That whole meeting was just about her asking me, "Do you need anything? Do you need anything?" Like exactly how she is. She was
Our
exactly
humor
like this.
matches like to the T.
But Thoda, she was of course being poised in the first
Yeah.
meeting. By second meeting,
I think she failed
she
miserably.
was like, "Your knee. Go sit there. Get me that. Get me that." But yeah, she's a buddy. She has the same humor as me. So yeah, we get along very very well. So my first impression was a very pretty, sweet girl, and I was definitely crushing on her. I want to say that. Yeah.
Oh, there are too many crushes happening
Yeah.
here
Yeah,
on this table.
it's so
Okay.
exclusive. It's not.
But I met her and I realized that you know how you meet certain people and you feel like you'll get along with them so well that you know that there'll be so much love, but there'll be also so many fights. I knew on day one
What are you
that
saying?
that we are gonna have. I mean, I knew that I'm gonna have a great time with her shooting the film, because also our chemistry was like a Tom and Jerry sort of a chemistry in the film. Like we'd constantly be bickering all the goddamn time, and it just didn't help that we share the manager.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
Oh
okay.
my god, it would go so like it would be so petty at moments.
yeah. We'd be ridiculously petty with each other. I knew that we'll really have each other's back, but also I knew that we'll have a lot of fights.
Pashmina, are you also related to Hrithik Roshan? Your name is Pashmina Roshan.
Yeah.
Yeah? How
Yeah.
are you related to Hrithik?
Yeah, it's a fact.
My father is Rajesh Roshan, who is brothers with Rakesh Roshan, who is
Fathers.
Your first cousin, basically.
Chacha,
right?
chachi.
my first cousin.
First
Yeah.
cousin. Oh, amazing. So, guys, now we're going to play a fun game, which is Never Have I Ever.
Okay.
So, you got to pick a chit. Of course, read it out.
Yeah.
And if you have, then just take a sip.
Cool.
I'll read it out.
Question for us also.
Oh, never have I ever ghosted someone.
All of y'all have,
I have
except
not.
Pashmina.
No, I'm very nice. I'm very kind. I will tell the person I don't like you.
I don't like you.
I don't like
No,
you.
I just I don't think I was in the headspace to.
Beautiful answer, man. Love it.
It's true.
Yeah, but
Like,
it's on
yeah,
point.
but like too young to and too immature to kind of comprehend the situation.
But would you still do it?
Never.
No.
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 Okay, go for it.
Never have I ever been in a secret relationship.
Say your entire life.
What's-
Secret from some people.
Or everyone. Oh.
Yeah, like
Okay.
even I don't share.
We go digging.
What, Gibran?
Gibran,
what
what
about you?
is
No
this?
reaction.
You're just looking around.
He's thinking, if I take
What
a
do you
sip,
mean?
Nonsense.
everybody will
is
know
like
I'm
do
in
you
a
mean?
relationship.
No.
8% secret.
Arey,
100%.
Arey.
never have I ever had a crush on someone within this group.
Drink.
You also drink?
Oh, jeet pakda gaya.
Okay,
it's my
let's go
turn.
next. Yeah.
Never have I peed in a pool. Yes.
You have.
But as a kid.
As a child.
Just as a child. We don't do it as adults. Just want to tell it.
Like
Yeah,
as an
yeah,
adult to go in pools.
Never have I ever fought with my partner in public.
Oh.
All of y'all have? No, I haven't.
Really?
No, not in public, guys.
Aren't you a nice?
Fight as
How
a
do you
girlfriend.
control
I
Yeah,
think
right.
that's the
An
difference
argument.
between millennials and Gen Zs.
Probably.
We're not Gen
We
Zs.
are-
We're all
No,
millennials.
We're stuck in the middle.
Zenellials.
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 Well, anybody who's born after
Zillennials.
95 is a Gen Z.
I'm 96.
92.
Cool.
So Zillennials, the cusp.
Okay.
Zillu.
Never have I ever farted loudly in public. No.
In public?
Of course. What do you mean?
Loudly?
Yeah, I was alone in that washroom.
Okay. That's
It's a
not
public space.
Come on. Were you really alone in that washroom?
No, Pashmina, I think my fart is very musical, so I wanted everyone to hear it.
Okay,
What
good.
the hell?
Never have I ever used a dating app. Come on, guys, spill the beans. I haven't.
You have?
Yeah, I told you.
Which one?
He's doing a campaign for Bumble.
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah, okay.
Never have I fought with someone in this group.
Oh, all of them. Oh, not Naila.
You have.
So you fought with Gibran
Never
and
fought with
Rohit.
you.
Yeah, but you fought with Pashmina.
You drink? You
Oh,
fought with me?
What about you?
I don't think I've fought with
No,
them.
she's not fought. She just gets irritated with us.
I get irritated.
It's been a day, guys.
Yeah, it's been a day.
Who likes to party the most?
Jibran.
I would say both of you equally.
Yeah, the
Enough
boys here like to
sleep,
party.
So, yeah, we hang.
I mean, I really love to hang, but I
Yeah.
can't party.
Party, no, but
Like in
we
the sense,
hang,
like
yeah.
I would not be out partying, but if you take me to a friend's house, I would not leave. I would literally not.
Oh, you're that
You like-
guess.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you're that guess. She's never calling you home.
No, I will.
She really hasn't.
I
No?
will.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
She
you
hasn't called any of us home.
Yeah.
I will. One day.
Should I take one more? Never have I ever been caught watching porn.
I have a strong feeling you've been caught.
Come on.
Why?
Pashmina,
No, I
don't lie.
haven't.
Even your friend, it's just my gut feeling that you have.
I strongly
I
agree.
really haven't.
I aggressively
Just
agree.
leave her alone.
But why is it only about Pashmina? What about you guys?
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
shit.
I hope not.
No,
I don't
no.
know what you're talking about.
Oh, really? Okay.
This porn.
Okay,
No,
then
but
do
yeah,
it.
no.
Go next.
Never have I ever created a fake ID to stalk someone I have.
No.
Yeah, even I have.
I loved
I
it.
love
You
it.
thought for a second. Never have I ever kissed someone of the same gender.
Yeah.
See?
I have.
Really?
Some things happen in
I have.
college.
I have.
You have?
Yeah. My boys here.
Oh, Rohit? Aren't you feeling left out here? No.
Never have I ever had a rebound relationship.
None of us have.
Really?
I just feel Gibran has to stop lying to us.
What?
Take a
You know
sip.
what?
Why-
I'm really
I
not
think I
liking
must-
these accusations that everyone
I-
is doing now. Yeah?
I'm not in a rebound relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I think I may have been someone.
okay.
Oh my
Acha,
god.
oh.
Even I may have been someone.
Really? Okay, explain. See, the title of your film is Ishq Vish Rebound. Please explain it for me. What exactly is a rebound?
So a relationship on the rebound is essentially a relationship that you get into right after you've gotten out of one. And you haven't processed the loss of that particular relationship. And you get into this relationship so that you don't feel the void in your life. That's essentially what a rebound relationship is. But that rebound relationship can turn into an actual
Full-blown.
love, full blown.
Oh, it can.
It
Is
can,
it?
and
It
there's
can.
nothing wrong in a rebound relationship.
I think that, nowadays youngsters are just so confused in love, and rebound just becomes something that sometimes just organically happens because there's so much of confusion involved in the process of love. Yeah, personally, I haven't done it, but I can relate to the kids and the youngsters who are doing it, because now we have these dating apps and left swipe and right swipe, and there's so many fish in the sea, as
Yeah.
you say. So it can be very confusing and daunting, and it's a fast-paced life. So it's natural that it's happening. Because I am in this 90s kid zone, I don't really
Relate to this?
relate to it, but
But you may meet guys who are in that zone,
Yeah.
and then how do you gauge?
it's tough.
It's tough.
And I feel like that's where the confusion comes into the place, and then you just kind of have to take your time and gauge the situation.
Okay, you guys have been good guests.
Yeah.
We want to serve you some sushi and dim sum.
Oh, thank you.
But hold on. You gotta make some sushi before that.
Oh, I've never done that before.
Yeah, have you guys?
I
ever?
have
Yeah, I
tried
don't-
once
never.
in
I haven't.
lockdown.
You have?
My mom used to try, so we used to
So
help her
Pashmina
out.
will lead the class.
Okay, we're going to divide you guys into two teams, Team A, Team B.
Nice.
Okay, you guys have 5 minutes to watch some videos on how to make sushi.
Oh,
Meanwhile, we'll
oh.
get the ingredients. While they are busy, we're getting the ingredients ready. We're going to have a timer. You guys are going to have exactly 2 minutes.
Okay.
And you guys have to make like the best sushi.
Yeah.
Better than what you get here at Shifuku.
We'll try.
Okay.
It'll be hard, but we'll try.
Yes.
That's going to be hard.
Let's
Okay.
go for
But
it.
your time starts now.
But yeah, that's why you needed water.
This team is getting extremely competitive. Look at that. Oh
some at
my
the top, huh?
god.
Some at the top.
Pashmina is killing it.
Yeah.
Mommy, are you proud of me?
There's there's a
now, yeah,
completely
but this
different
is looking very
technique on
bad.
this side.
Gibran.
What
This
is that?
wrong.
Looks like a Pokemon.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Go, Pash, go, come on.
We have 30 more
Moment of
seconds. Turn it, twist it.
The knife is in.
Whoa, buddy, we winning.
Thicker, thicker.
Sorry, Rohit, you're losing.
You all have 30 more seconds to like decorate your sushi, okay?
Give me a plate. Come on, fast.
अरे हमको भी प्लेट चाहिए ऐसा. चिटिंग हो रहा है इधर. गुलाबो, गुलाबो.
It's very difficult. Wait, Gibran.
Listen,
it has to
okay,
be
no.
good.
We're done.
Okay, wait, I'm not done.
Gibran, you
Okay,
got it.
time
Side
up.
too.
Okay, time up.
That's wrong, huh? That's whatever they're doing.
It's all
She's
wrong.
put rice in the middle.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
It's my presentation.
I mean, genuinely speaking, it's looking like gourmet quality stuff.
We'll ask the winner.
Whatever helps
Yeah,
you sleep at night.
You guys
Not
firstly
everything,
have to
also,
give a name to your sushi. What is the name?
the flower garden.
Yeah.
The flower garden.
And you have to give
sushi.
us points on presentation also. Who presented better, like a flower garden?
Purple paradise. Because of the purple rice.
What's the purple?
Very innovative.
So many.
Portion size only 2,
Yeah.
and they've given like 5. So
Tiny bite
Master Chef ने
size.
देखा क्या?
That's more of soup than
Okay, they-
sushi in
Yeah.
terms of sizing.
That's a sauce.
Yours is sashi.
No, this is sushi.
Dude,
This
yours
is soup.
It's some
yours
Indian
is
thepla.
ridiculous. It is so. Who puts that much rice?
Okay, guys,
in
we're
sushi?
getting. Ma'am, why don't you please go for it?
I'm so scared to try the sushi, guys.
No, I
this is made
promise.
right
No,
in
I
front
think
of
it's,
me.
Give us points on presentation.
Okay, presentation.
Give it to us.
She owns a restaurant, so she's like actually giving
So she
the correct
obviously
thing.
knows the correct
yeah.
one is
I would first try this one.
Yes!
So,
in your face.
Okay, maybe this is
So
too
much for
amateur.
so much for it
Sorry.
looking like sashi.
You're having it like chakna.
now let me try, okay? It's not just about the looks.
Correct.
Okay,
It's
What
about the
matters
taste.
is the taste.
Correct.
Okay?
Yeah.
Let's try. Let's all three of us try
Okay, come
together.
on.
This one, right? Pashmina?
Yes, cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
How's it?
Yeah, मैं बोल रहा हूँ अच्छा है.
Mm.
Nice.
It's not bad, guys.
Well done, guys.
Thank
you
you,
guys are
thank you.
hired.
Thank
you guys
you.
are hired.
कल से April में रहना.
Come on.
Okay, this one
We
now.
can't try that,
This is
Unni.
really massive, actually. Naila, you and I both together. It's too big
Really
to fit
go
into my
big.
mouth
It's
also
gonna be
now.
like a golgappa.
That's
I
also
know,
what she
it's
said.
Okay, sushi. That is the size of a golgappa.
You're
We are having it also like that.
Yeah.
Go.
1, 2.
Love.
I told you, it is sashi. It's not
Wholesome.
sushi. They're eating like golgappas.
Is it nice?
How do we know? There are only 2.
Naila, I don't trust you.
Genuinely,
You're a
is it
good
that
actor.
nice? Shit, I should have tried.
Very good.
I think it's the purple rice.
Oh God, I'm gonna have this.
Very good, guys.
You only said na white rice, white rice.
Don't go
Damn, this
against
shit
your
is
own
good.
team member.
No, but both of you guys, I mean, both the teams
try it.
did a fabulous job. A big round of applause for you all.
Yeah.
Thank you very
Wow.
Can
much.
I give a
Thank you.
shout out to Shifuku?
Shifuku.
Because we didn't do anything.
Yeah.
It was the ingredients
Yeah.
which was so
We just
amazing.
rolled it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't
That's
do
some
anything,
good
we
quality
did.
nori.
We
I love it.
easily be hired here on any day that the chef wants to take a break.
Absolutely.
Damn
Or
good.
Rohit and Naila.
But now we are going to treat you guys with the real deal.
Oh,
Some really good food here because you guys have been amazing guests. Okay?
you.
So let's do that. Here's a little something from us.
Something.
Not a little.
It's not a little something. It's
My-
a
my
lot
folks like-
more.
I'm
Ready.
salivating.
This is amazing.
Okay, so let's begin.
You guys try this.
Spicy and cheesy and
The salmon is
This
to
is
die for.
yum.
So why are you doing so much mehnat and not eating sushi and dim sum? What
I
is this?
swear.
Where are we going to see you like without your shirt and all?
No, not that. But I just thought that the last time I came on your show,
Yeah.
I was eating pizzas, YY, noodles, all kinds of things I was eating on your show. I thought this time I should do the opposite. I should not eat anything at all.
But that's the idea. People save their appetite for Sunday brunch show. You know that, right?
No, sorry. Next time, pakka promise. That'll be sooner than the last time.
Okay. One last game. Okay, I'm going to give a red flag and a green flag to you guys and few relationship scenarios, and you guys got to tell me whether it's a red flag or a green flag.
Okay, done.
Done.
Okay?
We are pros at it now.
So scenario 1. Your partner surprises you with plans for a weekend trip without asking if you are free or not. Is it a red flag or a green
Not a
flag?
red flag at all.
Sweet.
I know, it's sweet.
But what if you have a shoot, you're busy?
Then I'll say I have a shoot, can we reschedule? And if
Yeah.
they say no, then that's a red flag.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Same answer.
Your partner wants to spend every free moment together, saying it's because they love you so much. Red flag.
I can't.
Yeah,
I
you
can't get
can't
myself
not
to say
say
that's
it.
a red flag. I mean, I get that it's a red flag, but I can't get myself to say that it's a red
Oh,
flag.
that's so sweet.
Yeah.
I mean, isn't that the most beautiful thing? If
Yeah.
another human being wants to just spend
Spend
every
time with
free
you.
time moment with you, that's a
Yeah.
green
But you
flag.
may want to be with yourself
Ah,
or
but
maybe
Yeah,
do
I think
something
it's
on
very important to,
Netflix.
like,
yeah.
If your partner says that they want to, it doesn't necessarily mean that they
They
will
are doing
force
it,
you to.
Yeah.
They will. That's. I mean, they want to do that with you. So.
I don't want to
Yeah,
say
yeah.
it's a red flag.
Buddy.
Okay.
In today's day and age, to find someone who wants to spend time with you,
Yeah. Okay.
I'll cherish that.
All right. Your partner asks to see your phone because they're worried about a message or a notification they saw.
Boundary, privacy.
At least they asked to see your phone
Yeah.
and not just went behind your back and
Accused
saw
or
it.
something,
So
yeah.
that's
I would
maybe
say green flag, yeah.
but
But
Trust,
if,
then
like,
you
if
don't
it's
have
a-
to ask these
If it's a
questions.
Actually, no.
one-off thing, no,
Yeah.
if it's a one-off
I'd say
thing,
it's a
then
green.
Green.
Yeah.
Okay.
communication is also important. Like if they've communicated to you that some message has irritated them and
Yeah.
or irked them in a way, and they've said it to you and
I
not
think it's
like
okay for you to clarify.
yeah. Communication is a green flag.
Your partner gets visibly upset when you talk about your ex, even if it's a brief
No,
mention.
that's a red flag.
Well, unnecessary.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lal mere dil ka.
Your partner insists on managing all the finances because they think they're better with money. But your partner could be helping you, no?
Unless she's a CA, yeah.
It is insisting.
Your
Yeah.
partner checks in on you several times a day to see how you're doing.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Such a massive green flag.
That's a green flag.
Who's gonna say in red to that?
Too many calls, no?
Not like
No,
baby oh,
checking
oh.
in.
Like that only,
hey,
baby.
how's
Hi, what
it
are you doing
going?
now? What are you doing now? No?
Okay, when you say it like that, it
Yeah,
sounds like
like-
a red flag. But if they
But-
just check in on you, then that's sweet.
Yeah.
Your partner makes jokes about your habits or quirks in front of your friends, but assures you that it's all in good fun.
Friends is fine.
Yeah. Vibes
I'm a
are
little,
vibes.
I'm a
Jokes
little,
tha, Bhabhi. Jokes.
Joke.
it really depends.
Dost hai yaar.
If those habits and things that they're making fun of you about
Yeah.
are something that are sensitive to you,
Yeah.
then maybe not.
Yeah.
And things you're personal and like touchy about, then that would be like, why would you go in a group and say it out loud?
Your partner buys you gifts frequently, sometimes even when you argue.
Even when you argue.
Like you don't want a gift. Why are you buying me a gift? Why are you spending money?
It's a green flag. Yeah.
Don't like money.
Gifts
being
are a
wasted.
green flag, but like not.
like repetitive
not
and if it's
incessantly.
unnecessary, yeah.
Yeah. Again, I'm like,
Right, sure. yeah.
1 second, you guys are saying getting gifts is a red flag.
it's like, are you trying to buy me and my emotions? Then maybe not.
Maybe buy me.
Buy me.
Buy me and my emotions. I'm okay with it.
Okay, your partner asks you to share your location with them at all times, and then they say for safety reasons.
It's a red
Not at all
flag.
times. And we live in Mumbai, it's a rather safe city.
Yeah.
Hashtag Mumbai Police.
Okay, guys, this was fun.
Yeah.
Looking forward to Ishq Vishk Rebound.
Yup.
Thank
is a lot of
you.
fun.
We can't wait
Give us
for you
one
to
really
watch
good and solid reason for all of us to watch.
We
the
don't have
film.
one. We have
Ready?
We have
So
many.
many. Okay.
Yeah,
Should we
which
go?
ready?
Come
Should we?
on.
it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. It's
It
about
has-
love.
It's got the most amazing songs.
Song and dance, beautiful scenes.
And lots of confusion.
Lots
Very-
of drama.
Very, very relatable.
Good-looking people.
National
Ah.
crushes Uttara.
And when you go to the cinema, you'll
Get
eat.
popcorn, samosa.
Clearly, guys, we have lots of reasons to go and watch Ishq Vishk Rebound releasing on 21st of June. So I hope you all watch it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Curly Tales. थोड़ा Curly Tales के लिए भी बोल दो.
Absolutely.
Curly tails rocks. Curly tails
Stop
rocks.
it.
Green flag, green
Curly
Yeah.
Tails is the biggest
True.
green flag ever.
Curly tails.
I mean, she feeds us food. Like, how can that
And
ever be a
the-
red
Best
Look at
love
this.
language.
We
Love
have wiped
language.
off
Best
his
love
face.
language ever.